Hello everyone, this is Julius from Even Grounds, and I'm going to share with you a tip to make your website more accessible. This involves descriptive titles for your web pages. I'm going to give a demonstration that will show the importance of descriptive titles for your web pages, and I'm going to use a particular assistive technology called a screen reader. A screen reader is a software that lets the user hear the textual information displayed on the screen. I'm going to use the screen reader to browse a website, www.achieve.org.ph. This is the website of Achieve, a computer school for blind and visually impaired individuals. Okay, let's load the Achieve website.
Table, column 2.
The voice that you're going to hear is the voice of the speech synthesizer of the screen reader.
Achieve, enter 90%. Visited Achieve.
Alright, so we have just loaded the website of Achieve, and let's try to make the screen reader read the online contents of this particular web page.
Achieve, welcome to Achieve heading level 1. Blank. Quote, Achieve Computer School for the Blind has given light to those who lack the gift of sight through the power of technology.
Alright, so the screen reader helped me read the online contents of this particular web page, and in addition to that, the screen reader has a very useful function that reads the title of this particular web page. The title is the line of text that is located at the topmost part of the web page. I'm going to press the shortcut key that will make the screen reader read the title.
Title is Achieve-Homepage-Mozilla Firefox.
Alright, so let's try to make the screen reader read the title again.
Title is Achieve-Homepage-Mozilla Firefox.
Alright, so when I press the shortcut key for the title of the web page, the screen reader said title is Achieve-Homepage-Mozilla Firefox. Let us try to move to another page in the same website.
List of 5 items. List of 6 items. Visited link home alt plus shift plus 1. Visited link about Achieve alt plus shift plus O.
Let's try the About Achieve page. I move to the link that says About Achieve, and I will press enter to go to the page.
Enter. 82%. Blank.
Alright, so for sighted individuals and for people who can see the web page, it's very easy to find out that you have indeed moved to another page. You can simply see that there are new blocks of text, perhaps there are new images and new controls. But for people who cannot see, for people who use screen readers, it's a very different situation. Obviously, they cannot see the screen, but they have their own ways of finding out that they have moved to another page. And one of the best ways to do this is to make the screen reader read the title of the web page. I'm going to use the same shortcut key that I used in the previous page to read the title.
Title is Achieve-About Achieve-Mozilla Firefox.
Okay. Let's press the shortcut key again.
Title is Achieve-About Achieve-Mozilla Firefox.
So the screen reader said, title is Achieve-About Achieve-Mozilla Firefox. So by doing this function, I'm able to quickly determine that I have indeed moved to another page. So I can start browsing the contents of this web page.
Achieve heading level 1. About Achieve heading level 1. Same page link A, history. Same page link B, vision-mission. Same page link C, main thrusts.
So you have a couple of subtopics that fall under the About Achieve category. So this is a very important function which is provided by screen readers, but it is very important to keep in mind that the screen reader would only provide useful information if the title of the web page clearly describes the contents of that page. So, based on this example, the title is Achieve-about Achieve, and the contents, within the contents, you can find information about Achieve, its mission, its main thrusts, its goals, and other information under that category. So this is a good example of a web page that uses descriptive titles. In relation to that, I'd like to also inform you that you need to avoid making pages that contain one single title, because that is very inaccessible to persons who use screen readers. Right, so that is the conclusion of our demonstration. And if you have any questions about this topic, about descriptive titles for a more accessible website, please do let us know in the comments section. I also invite you to check out www.achieve.org, of course. And also, I invite you to check out www.evengrounds.com. Those are two excellent resources that talk about disabilities and provide services for persons with disabilities. Okay, so thank you for viewing this video. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next post.